So the trail we're going up to today is a very liked trail. You guys really liked that video. It's just a mountain trail with gorgeous views.
Pump up the airbags.
Okay, we made it up to the trailhead. This is a super beautiful spot. It's right in Provo Canyon. The Bridalveil Falls are right up there. But we got to drive like the asphalt a little ways up, finally hit dirt, and then we can take off, and you kind of just ride on top of the mountains. We call this Camel's Back. I don't know if that's the actual name. So we got a babysitter for a couple hours. Me and the wife are running. It's just me and her and all the trust in Scrappy that we won't have any issues with it. I think Scrappy's dialed though, or else I wouldn't do this. Yeah, I'm getting a ton of wind in my mic. Hopefully we can turn that down and maybe it'll be a little better there. But that guy back there with his trailer, like it's kind of hard to just pull your trailer up here. You might as well just drive the asphalt for a little bit. Plus it's kind of fun if you don't have cars in front of you. Now, we've been doing this trail for a long time. We just never video it because usually it's just family. So I never wear the helmet and do all this. Alright, we turn up this road and it turns into dirt. See if this guy's gonna let us pass. Alright, we get to try Scrappy's suspension. Okay, the blue car speedometer is way off because this said 80 and we were not even going third gear in the blue car. I see a dotted line here, so we're gonna go for the pass. Alright. Looks like there might be somebody up ahead of us. We'll take it easy for a second. Super dusty. Oh yeah, Scrappy's gonna be the new dirt car. Gotta outrun the dust. Once I drop the wife off, we'll do some driving. I am loving this car. Look at that view. Scrappy is officially labeled a ripper. I mean, I'm top of 5th gear ripping down these trails, but the blue car on 32s, the speedometer must be way off, because the blue car, I'd be 3rd gear doing about the same speed, it feels like. Scrappy feels like it's doing 80 versus the blue car will say it's doing 60 and it feels just as fast. I'm gonna keep on going down. So we take this trail, we go down the canyon, down into the bottom, and then it'll take you back up on top and you can look over all the mountains. Maybe I'll have the wife get a clip of me ripping this corner since nobody's right here. I was like, I swear it's close, but I didn't think it's that close. Can't even escape to the mountains to avoid pallets. I adjusted the mic. I'm sorry, the first little bit of footage, I had the mic in the wrong spot. I'm used to having a windshield. That footage, pretty much garbage. If you guys remember, there's an original video of the blue car ripping up this trail right here. So excited about this car and the way it's performing. The suspension's doing good. The small tires is probably my only complaint. I want to put it in 4-wheel drive, but like I said, I don't want to break that front diff. Well, we're clear up here. So we'll do 4-wheel drive on like a camping trip or something. Soon we're going to be camping more in the mountains. It's too hot in the valley. We had a big windstorm come through and brought a cold front with it. So it's like 60 degrees up here in the mountains. It's like air conditioned. And then I gotta say thank you again to Corey. He hooked it up with that 19 cage. It looks way better. I don't know if I want to cut this in half or not. This is kind of fun this way. Might just buy the wife a 4-seater and she can follow me so I can rip this. A few little mods and this thing will just be a beast up here. Look at this girl. I just gotta say thank you to my amazing wife for, you know, just sitting in the passenger seat, not saying anything to me and let me rip the YZ. Okay, we're getting the drone all set up. We're gonna try to get every shot we can of this spot. But I think I'm having so much fun with Scrappy because you can just drive the piss out of it and it feels like you're a rally car driver versus the blue car. You get after it and you're going way too fast for that corner and the little brakes. I wonder if the smaller tires are helping me brake. Like it's not taking as much braking power, so I can keep, you know, beating on it pretty hard without worrying about the brakes spoiling. The blue car, I feel like the brakes They get hot really easy, but that's probably the 32-inch tires. that's a wrap on Scrappy on the dirt. We need a cage, we need harnesses, wheel spacers, 30-inch tires, dual rate, and what? Maybe a windshield. Vern, I'm gonna be calling you soon. We gotta figure something out for this, because I'm having way too much fun ripping the small turbo. So yeah, that's a wrap. Let me know if you guys want to see more mountain videos. We know plenty of trails, we just never video it. That thing is a blast. I love the big turbo car, don't get me wrong, it's my favorite. But to switch it up a little bit, small turbo, it's the perfect like combo to have. I'm thinking we're gonna make this more of a trail rig. Making our way through the drive-thru, grab some burgers.